Sugar-free biscuits. 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons coffee powder, 200 ml cream, 1 cup water, 250 gram dark compound chocolate.
Melt the chocolate in microwave or by using double boiler and stir it after the interval of every 15 seconds.
Add the cream to the melted chocolate little by little and stir it continuously until all the chocolate and cream are mixed well. The consistency of the chocolate would be like this. Add sugar and coffee powder to the water. Cover the tray with foil so that no chocolate will stick to it.
Pour the chocolate on the tray, dip the biscuit in the coffee mixture and place it on the spreaded chocolate. Spread the chocolate on the biscuit and again place a biscuit on the chocolate. Repeat this process. Now again spread the chocolate on the foil and repeat the same process.
Now cover all the biscuits with the remaining chocolates. Freeze the Chocopie for about 1 to 2 hours until it's hardened. Let's cut the Chocopie. I would recommend you to cut it diagonally and then into small pieces. Our Chocopies are ready and do let me know in the comment section that how were your Chocopies.